In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the bank feed view in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing transactions or just trying to get a better grasp of your business's financial activities, adjusting the bank feed to fit your preferences can significantly improve your workflow. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. If you're a regular user, this page will look very familiar. Once there, enter your credentials, your username and password to access your account. Make sure these details are correct to avoid any login issues and click continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Your next move is to navigate to the transactions section. You'll find this conveniently located on the left hand side of the home page. Clicking on this takes you to a broader view of all your ongoing and completed financial transactions. This is where you'll be able to clearly see various activities that have happened over a particular time frame. Next, you're going to drill down further by going to the bank transaction section. Again, this option is neatly tucked on the left sidebar under transactions. By clicking here, QuickBooks will display transactions specifically related to your linked bank accounts, making it easier to manage and review all relevant banking activities. Now that you're in the bank transactions area, look towards the right side of your screen for the settings icon. This little gear icon is your gateway to altering how information is displayed in your bank feed. Clicking on this icon will provide you with several options to customize your view. You'll notice an option that says show amounts in one column. Selecting this changes the way your transactions' financial details are presented, condensing them into a simpler, easier to read format. This can be particularly beneficial if you're trying to analyze your transactions at a glance or prefer a streamlined view. Finally, to ensure all the adjustments you've made stay put, don't forget to click on Save. This hard to miss button is usually located near your settings choices. By saving, you confirm that your bank feed will now consistently display in the format you've chosen, offering easy accessibility and enhanced readability. And there you have it, a brief, straightforward way to tailor your QuickBooks Online bank feed to suit your specific needs. By changing this view, you're taking a proactive step in maximizing the efficiency of your QuickBooks experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.